Welcome back, everybody. Margot.
Cute candy floss.
Okay, even before the questions. That's good enough. Okay, candy floss should be pretty straight. Basically, we are going to do a sort of a cloud, and then we're gonna have some support. It could be a sort of a cone or something. So for having the cloud, let's say that will be this side here. We can have a few, curved lines, like this way to be, soft, round, and something. Okay, and eventually you can go with, different sizes. So there's no really something that you have to follow. The important thing is that it looks cute at the end of it. And yeah, let's put as a support a sort of a cone, because if we put just the stick, it will be
Boring.
yeah, probably yes. No, let's put the stick instead. Okay.
Why?
I don't know. It's just
The cone.
the cone. Okay, the cone. So for the cone we have a sort of a V shape, and we close it. Uh-oh. I made a mess in here. Okay, and because it's sort of floating, let's do a shadow in here. You can color this gray or black or whatever color you want. And then let's make this to be a bit bolder, so it matches a bit the mistake that I have done down there.
But it looks even worse than
No, because it looks like we are making all the external lines to be bolder, so it matches in the end. You see, I'm not touching the internal lines, but just the external one, and it works. So let's go with the face. We can go straight, like a simple smiley mouth in here, and we have one eye to be here with a little reflection in it, and we obviously color it, and then the other eye to be here, and reflections and color. And then we can have a little bit of little lines in it, so just to show that everything is fluffy.
You're missing something.
What am I missing?
Cheeks.
Oh yeah, cheeks. I'm going to do that in a moment.
How can you
Always,
no.
obviously.
Yeah.
Okay.
How can you
Obviously.
how can you not? How can you forget the cheeks?
That was easier there. I didn't. I was just focused on something else. And eventually, just to make the cone to be a little more interesting, let's put a couple of lines in it. So whoever wants to color it can use different colors in there. Okay, this one was straight. What do you think? Is it cute enough candy floss?
Yeah, but I like this face on the goat one.
Well, those were the other videos. Okay, guys, I hope you like it, and see you in our next video.
You mean our last one?
Oh well, last one for today. Bye bye.